Ready when you are.
Count on the count of 2.
1, 2, 3.
Today we're gonna talk about this. I'll read it to you. Today we will do this. We will talk about questions. We'll take that away. Here's the next card. Here's the next card. You can find out it is mom's. And then, here's the last one. 10, you can see the kids will make dinner for. And then, that's all. Then we have the recipe I'm going to show everyone. And tell them you're going to have to make a recipe for the dinner tonight. And then I'm going to tell some other things and questions or comments. Then the speech is over. The end of the speech competition.
What was the last thing you said?
Consonants.
What's that last word?
Consonants.
What does that mean?
No, stop. Come on, Marie. Delete that one.
Okay.